Need to know how to clean coins? Old, silver, copper, we've got it covered with some help of baking soda, dish soap, vinegar, salt, Coke, or lemon juice. Welcome to this video on the art of cleaning coins. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just stumbled upon a jar of old coins in your attic, knowing how to clean them properly can bring back their shine and reveal the hidden beauty beneath the grime. First off, let's address the main question. How do you clean coins? Well, the process depends on the type of coin and its condition. Let's start with the basics. How to clean old coins. Old coins often accumulate dirt and tarnish over time, but cleaning them requires a delicate touch. Begin by gently rinsing the coins in warm, soapy water. Use a soft toothbrush to lightly scrub away any surface dirt. Be careful not to scrub too hard, as this may damage the coin's patina. How to clean silver coins. Silver coins are particularly prone to tarnishing. To clean silver coins, create a paste with baking soda and water. Apply the paste to the coin, gently rubbing in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry with a soft cloth. This method helps restore the shine without causing abrasion. How to clean dirty coins. For coins covered in dirt or grime, soak them in a solution of distilled water and mild dish soap. After soaking, use a soft brush to remove any remaining debris. Patience is key. Avoid the temptation to scrub too vigorously. How to clean copper coins. Copper coins can develop a beautiful patina, but if you prefer a shiny appearance, try a mixture of vinegar and salt. Dip the coin in the solution, then gently rub with a soft cloth. Rinse and dry thoroughly to prevent further oxidation. How to clean coins safely. Now, a crucial point, always prioritize safety. Never use harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that could damage the coin surface. If in doubt, consult with a professional coin conservator. How to clean coins with Coke. You may have heard about using Coca-Cola to clean coins. While this method is popular, it's not recommended for valuable coins, as the acidity of the soda can potentially damage the coin's surface. Stick to gentler cleaning methods for your prized possessions. How to clean coins with baking soda. Baking soda is a versatile and safe option for cleaning coins. It works well for removing tarnish without causing harm. Just remember to rinse the coins thoroughly after cleaning to remove any residue. How to clean corroded coins. Corroded coins require special attention. Soak them in a mixture of distilled water and lemon juice or vinegar. After soaking, gently scrub with a soft toothbrush. Repeat the process until the corrosion is minimized, but be cautious not to overclean. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to clean coins, from old and tarnished to silver and copper. Remember, each coin is unique, so tailor your cleaning approach accordingly. If you found this video helpful in bringing your coins back to their former glory, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more useful cleaning tips, and be sure to share this video with fellow enthusiasts who may find it handy. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in the future, leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck in your quest to keep your coin collection shining bright. Until next time, happy collecting!